Alright, we're going to go over the muscles of the humerus and scapula really quick. So starting off at 22, we have the insertion of the serratus anterior. At number 4, we would have the origin of the subscapularis. At 17, we would have the origin of the coracobrachialis. At 8, we would have the origin of the short head of the biceps brachii. And at 18, we would have the insertion of the pectoralis minor. At 23, this is where the deltoid would originate. 10 is where the long head of the triceps brachii originates. 3 is where the teres minor originates. 2 is where the teres major originates. 1 is where the infraspinatus would originate. 16 is where the rhomboid major would insert. 15 is where the rhomboid minor would insert. And 21 up here is where the levator scapulae would insert. Okay, at number 5, we have the insertion of the subscapularis. At number 7, we have the insertion of the pectoralis major. At number 8, we have the insertion of the latissimus dorsi. And at number 9, we have the insertion of the teres major. Number 6 is where the deltoid would insert. Number 14 is where the brachialis would originate. 22 is where the brachioradialis would originate. 19 is the extensor carpi radialis longus, originates right there. 18 is the common extensor tendon. 21, that's where it originates. 21 is where the common flexor tendon originates. And 23 is where the pronator teres originates. Okay, right at 3, we've got where the teres minor would insert. At 11, we have the lateral head of the triceps brachii originating. Number 13 is where the coracobrachialis would insert. And lastly, number 12 is where the medial head of the triceps brachii would originate. And I think that is it.